Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super cute and beautiful iris folding birdhouse with lots of cute birds. So this looks complicated, but trust me, this is very easy to make, and I have used all pastel shades to make the iris folded birdhouse, and along with that I will share how to make these cute bird friends using paper quilling strips, the small pink color flowers along with the background. So this card is specially made for Friendship Day, and without any delay, let's start with procedure. So here I am taking 12 by 17 centimeter white cardstock, and I have created one pentagon shape here. So I will show you how to do this. First we have to find out the center of this, that is 6 centimeters. So create one straight line, then rotate your card like this, and from left side I have marked at 3 centimeters, 6 centimeters and 12 centimeters. So create 3 lines on these markings. Then from this point on left and right sides I have marked at 4 centimeters, and in the bottom I have marked at 2.5 and 2.5 on both sides. Now we just need to join all these markings together to create the pentagon shape. Very easy. So we have to cut the pentagon shape using our paper cutter. So I'm just quickly cutting it. And the template is ready. Then on the front side I am going to color this using watercolors. Here I am using light blue color and light green color to give it sky and grass look. You can also use poster colors, gouache colors, acrylic colors or pencil colors, whatever you have, but I am creating my own background. Just blend green and blue color nicely with each other. And after drying, our card base should look like this. Then here I have this pentagon shape iris folding template already ready, and I have given the link of this template in description box. You can just download it and print it on A4 size paper. And here I have created some markings for all 5 sides using star shape, O shape, then tick mark shape, cross shape and R shape. So each shape indicates different colors, and in short I am using here total 5 shades today for 5 designs, and just putting the upside down on this template, just eyeball the center pentagon shape exactly in our pentagon cutout, and then I am securing all 4 corners using cello tape or transparent tape. Then here I am using all these beautiful pastel shade strips in light orange, peach, light yellow, pink and light green color. These are 1.5 centimeter in width, and I have just folded all strip in 0.5 centimeters. Now starting with the first fold, so taking small piece and securing both the sides using tape. Then for the next design I am using light green color. So according to the design I am cutting my strip, and folded part should face towards inside. Secure both the sides with tape. Then for third color I am using light yellow color. For fourth part I am using light pink color. And for the last part I am using peach color. So first row is done. Now starting with the second row. Then here the pink design is overlapping the yellow one. So we have to connect the pink pattern first and then I will add the yellow pattern on top of this. So wherever the design occurs in cross pattern, you have to find out which color will come first. And with the similar method, I am going round in circular motion towards the center side, and you will get perfect closure. Now for the center piece, I am using here light brown color cardstock, securing it nicely with tape, and our sticking work is done. Now removing all 4 corner tapes, and are you ready to see the final outcome from front side? So tada, our beautiful iris folded birdhouse center is ready. This is perfectly made and this is looking absolutely stunning. Each color is looking nice inside each other, and now it's time to create the roof and the base of the birdhouse. So here I have already cut the roof and base using light brown color cardstock, and to give it nice natural wooden look, here I am using my ball tool and making some embossing effect of the wood on these shapes. Like this. Similarly doing the shaping of groove designs on other piece. So this is done. Now here I am using light brown color distressing and using my blending tool I am just applying it on the corners of the design to give more realistic look of wood. And then I am sticking these parts with our birdhouse. So this is completely ready. Now here I am taking 21 by 13 cm white cardstock. From left side I have folded at 3 cm and just adding glue on this folded part, and on top of this I am adding one more white color cardstock which measures 18 by 13 centimeters. Since our card size is little bigger and I don't have bigger size sheet, so I have joined here 2 parts together to create my card base. So this is nicely attached. Then on top of this I am adding light brown color cardstock which is 12.5 by 17.5 centimeters. And then on top of this I am adding my iris folded cards. So since the center part is having little dimension, and to balance other corners with the center, here I am adding one piece of cardboard strip on all corners so that it will have same dimension all over the card, and in between also I have added small pieces of cardboard to give even balance. Now adding glue on the cardboard pieces, and in the center on top of the tapes I have added here double-sided tacky tape. So just removing the liner and sticking this on top of the card. So our base card is completely ready. Now it's time to create cute birds. So to create birds, here I have created simple sketch of birds using pencil on white color cardstock. And before starting with quilling work, I am just coloring these birds using dark blue, light blue and orange color. So all birds are colored. Then it's time to make the quilling shapes. So taking your half strip of dark blue color in 3 mm and just making one bended leaf shape. Then taking back the bird designs and sticking the shape on one of the bird, starting from top design. Similarly created in light blue color. Then taking one more piece of half strip in light blue color in 3 mm and making one small bended leaf shape. Then adding orange color petal in the bottom, and at the end I am adding white color bended leaf shape. And for the tail I am using small teardrops which are made using 1/4 strip of dark blue color. So the bird is ready. For the beaks I have used here 1/8 strip of yellow color in 3 mm, created small teardrop shapes, and also adding wings here which are made using half strips of orange color and white color in teardrop shape, and these are 1 mm strips. So just adding the wings like this. Similarly I am going to complete remaining birds, and at the end I am adding white color paper circle cutout for the eyes. Then it's time to fussy cut all the birds. So from the border, carefully I am cutting the excess paper. Similarly going to cut remaining birds. And our all 4 best friend birds are ready. They are looking super cute. Then starting with making the grass. So here I am taking 2.5 by 13 centimeter green color cardstock strip, and we just need to cut it in zigzag manner to create the grass look like this. So I have already prepared my green color grass, and also I have created one more dark green color grass which is made using 2 by 13 centimeter green color sheet. So I'm just connecting both the pieces together, curving the grass little bit upward, and on back side of the light green grass I have added one strip of cardboard to give little dimension. So sticking the grass on bottom of the card. Like this. Then starting with making the flower. So here I am taking half strip of dark pink color in 1 mm and making one teardrop shape joining total 4 petals together and making the flower. For the center of the flower, I am taking 1/4 strip of off-white color in 1 mm and making one tight coil, and the flower is ready. To make it 3D, I am just pushing the flower on my palm using backside of my tool, and the 3D flower is done. Similarly, I have already prepared lots of flowers. Then starting with making the leaf. For this, I am taking 1/4 strip of light sap green color and 1/4 strip of dark sap green color and making one leaf shape. Similarly, I have prepared already lots of leaves and already created some more scrolls using same color combination in smaller size. So this is done. Now taking back my card, and first I am sticking all my birds. Then here and there randomly I am adding the flowers. Also I have added few strips as a stem in the grass. So on tip of the stem I am adding one flower, and also decorating with some leaves and scrolls. Like this, and then at the end I am adding sentiment friends forever, which is written on white cardstock using brush marker. And the super cute greeting card for Friendship Day is ready. Inside the card I have added one light blue color cardstock which is covering our joint, and you can write the special message to your friend. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Happy Friendship Day. Thanks for watching. Bye.